mga katrops, good afternoon and good evening and good morning dyan sa inyo.
Hello!
Helena.
Hello!
At ngayon, papunta tayo sa Walmart Helena.
Hello!
Alright, check it out. Let's see what's inside here in the... Oh, wow, look at this. The Walmart American style. Yeah. Go this way. Hello. Oh, wow. Look at this. See? This is a American brand Walmart, Kathleen. Which way we gonna go? This way? Let's go to the section.
I think it's this way.
Are you sure?
I think it's
Got that's money. Where'd you get it? We have so many US dollars.
the birthday party.
Oh, are you sure? Okay, come on, let's go to my clubs.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Where'd you use your money too?
I spent my money to
Okay, come on, let's go. You're the same in the Canada, right, Dime? But the difference is, I don't know what's the difference. We will see what's the difference. We're gonna have a review here. No. Oh, yeah, look at this. It's cool, right?
Can we buy this?
Yeah. It's only $2 for this.
Let's go buy it.
Yeah. Oh, this one is the clearance. Oh, look at that hat. See? Look. It's so American. Can we check? Yeah, try it. Wow. Hee-ha. Look at me. Yeah.
I want to try.
Try it. Come on, let's go this way. Itong area, itong mga tops, ano to eh, clearance. So, medyo dito yung namumura tayo. I mean, namumura tuloy. Cheap. Go get that one. Oh yeah, look at this, mga katops. So, yung mga panglalaki. Ito yung mga damit nila dito. Oh, mga tag $6. Mga astig yan, oh no. Mga astig na ano yan. See, young adult. What? Let's go to the toy section this way. This way. Yeah.
Go swim.
Swim? Okay, this way. Oh, watch out, buddy. Oh yeah, look at that. See? Oh, look at this. Clouds Kawapanga. Yung Walmart dito, kami lang yata dito medyo may kulay eh. Lahat puro puti eh, o tila po. Ito yung pinakaiba ng Walmart ng Canada sa Walmart ng US, mga katrops. Oh, napapansin nyo ba? Walang masyadong yan o. Puro puti. Oh, nasaan kayo ngayon mga oh. Yan yung Canada sa US. Ito yung typical na Walmart, mga katrops. Puti, kasi puti rin yung brown, puti yung brand. Alright, yung puro puti. Oh. Walang masyadong ibang lahi dito sa US eh. Oh, I mean sa Helena. Ayan. Come on. Mapapansin mo talaga yung ambience dito, mga tropa, kasi since na ikaw yung ibang lahi dito, yung treat nila sa'yo iba rin eh, parang naninibago sila. Hey, come on, let's go boys. Why should we have any money? Give me my dollar. So what can you say about the Walmart here in the US, Marley? How can you say about the Walmart here in Helena? How? Why?
It's
Super what?
It's super cool. Convenient.
Why there's no East Indian?
No, it's convenient. No, it's just convenient.
Convenient, yeah. It's different than the Canada.
Convenient.
How you say the East Indian in the Walmart?
It's ready.
In Canada.
It's close.
What?
Closing up now.
Come on, Dime. You like the Walmart here, Dime?
Yeah.
Yeah? How about you, kid? Let's go. Yeah, come on. Oh, watch out, boys. Oh, this area, mga katops, ito yung grocery at baka fresh area sa seafood doon sa kabila, mga katops. Yan, mga tinapay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Kasi may $1 na tinapay pa sila dito. Sa Canada wala na eh. Oh, let's go. This way. There's the grocery.
Mama, could you?
Wow. Oh wow, look at that. It's so American, right there?
Mama, could you? Let's go to the toy section.
Yeah, let's go to the toy section. Go this way. Itong area ito mga trops sa mga grocery yan. Oh, yun. Baka yung mga supplies dito. Right? Iba talagang ambience dito mga trops eh. Kasi wala sa Canada kasi pagka nag announcement yung Walmart doon na dito wala talagang maintindihan mo yung sinasabi. Sa Walmart sa Lethbridge magulo nag-announce na hindi mo maintindihan. Tokor. Ayan mo, ayan Walmart Helena, Montana mga katrop. So, okay, Dime, wait for me. Where are you going? I think there's no toys here, Dime. Oh, wow. It's your favorite area because of chocolate, right, Dime? No? Chocolate. Oh, Mr. Peace. Oh. Yeah, look at that. See? Go. Check it out. No, that's candy. Let's go here, mga katrops. No. Where? Oh, wow, Mr. Fish. Shout out to Mr. Fish. Shout out to mga katrops yung Mr. Fish. Yeah. Yay! Let's go this way. Let's show me the Mr. Fish. Mr. Vegetables.
Okay, let's go to the toy section.
This way. Oh, laki talaga ng Walmart dito sa Helena, mga katrops. Oh, go, let's go check it out. There's
I think there's a choice here.
Oh, watch out.
I think there's a choice here.
There's a toys. Oh. Wow. Oh, yeah, I will follow you.
They have a new flavor.
Did you have a new flavor? Oh, look, it's Hot Wheels. So, meron pa silang $1 na Hot Wheels dito mga to sa Walmart. Sa Lethbridge, wala na eh. Oh. Oh, wow, look at this, a new flavor. Nice.
Okay, what's the choice?
Look, Daimo. See? Was is $1.80, now is $1.
Oh,
Classic
wow.
Franks. Mga katrops, only $1. Right?
Yeah.
And then this one too. $2.50. You have a stuffed hot dog and a wieners too. You like it? Yeah. See, there's a cheese hot dog
Let's go buy it.
for only $2.50. Go quick, go get one time. Go get one, hurry up. Mga katrops, oh, $2.50 lang hot dog. Oh.
Cheese.
Oh, wow, Kathleen. Yes, you're scary. Come here, Kathleen. Oh, this side mga katrops is electronics side mga katrops. Electronics. What? Dinosaur? I like it. Look. Oh, you buy it. Come on, this way. Yeah. Come on. Oh, look at this, Kathleen. It's the Jurassic World. Peekaboo. Yeah. There's the toys over there, that side. See? This is the toys section, mga katrops. I found it, Kathleen. I found it. See? Here we go. The toy section. Mostly childs like it. This side. Toy section. Yay! Yeah. You go this way. Oh, look at that. So big. Yeah, let's go. Oh, this section, mga katrops, is the sports and good things section.
This costs $1.
Yeah. Since yung mga Amerikano mga katrops, may ligin sa mga outdoor activities, kaya mga hunting, mga camping. Ayan, mga camping yan. Yeah, let's go this way. Let me show you a very cool one. We don't have it here in Canada. We don't have in Canada. Yeah. So mga katrops, wala tayo nito sa Canada eh. Ito meron sila dito. Yan mo. Oh. Yan. Nagbebenta sila ng mga guns dito mga katrops. Mga barrel. Yeah. See? There's a guns here. They're selling guns over here mga katrops.
No, I want to buy.
Right there. See? Inside the Walmart, they sell guns. Look at that. See? Oh. Now.
This is gonna punch Squid Game.
Yeah. They sell guns here only in Walmart. There's mga knives. So, yeah, if you wanna go for hunting, see right there.
The knife from Squid Game.
Look at that. There's a binoculars. Oh yeah. Yeah. Right there. See? So cool guns. I wanna buy like this. Look. Hey, mga knives. Mga cool knives yan mga katrops. Ayos, diba? Saka mga ammunition nandun, no? Marley, they sell guns here. Look there. Right there, see? This side naman mga katrops yung mga auto care, but this is very cool. We don't have it in Walmart in Canada.
What can we do?
Right there, come on. Hey. So yan mga katrops. Hanggang dito na siguro yung muntang vlog natin sa Helena Walmart. Stop dahil.
Look,
Okay.
Elsa.
Halin naman yung
I bought this in my bicycle.
mga empleyado lang dito.
Elsa!
Mga puti lahat ng mga katrops eh.
Elsa!
Yeah, you have Elsa. Ayan mga katrops, yung pinagkakaiba lang pala ng yung Walmart sa Canada at sa US. Yung empleyado, yan, isa yan. Tapos meron silang alak dito sa loob ng Walmart ng USA. Sa Canada wala. Tapos yung guns and ammo. Sa Lethbridge o Canada, wala silang guns and ammo. Pero dito sa Helena mga katrops, meron silang guns and ammo. So yun lang yung tatlong napapansin ko na pinagkaiba ng Walmart sa
Helena.
Amerika at Canada. So stay tuned and rock and roll.